Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share this video with you today because today is the day that Spellbinders has their June 2018 surprise value package value bundle on sale. That's right, it is up on their website right now. And remember friends, it's first come, first serve, and I will be leaving you the link to that value bundle in the description area below. So let's go ahead and see what you get in this bundle. I'm so excited. So I've taken the liberty of making some projects for you, so some of these packages will be open. Now, what you're getting is the Spellbinders A Gilded Life collections. These can be used for like mini albums, mixed media projects, and I can see them as chokers as well. These would make some really cool chokers. Let me see if I can get you some of those details right there. Aren't they gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And also in the metal family, you are going to get yourself some mixed media mixage by Susan Leonard Casmer, and I can't wait to play with these. These are awesome. Alrighty, and let's move on ahead. You are also going to get a set of stamps. Now, these are the Spellbinders Cling Stamp Set, birthday balloons, and I had a load of fun working with these. Also in the mix, you're going to find yourself a Spellbinders Amazing Grace Stack and Fan Flowers, and I tell you, it was so super easy to create my flowers with these. You get several different sizes. These are the petals, and some have the squiggly lines and some are just straight, and it was so much fun creating with these. And you're also going to get these fancy leaves, and you know how I love fancy. So I just love this set of dies. You're also getting the Spellbinders Filigree Vase, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you what I made with this. I used the Spellbinders Die Delight stylized flowers, and it was so much fun creating with this. And this right here, this is the Spellbinders Designer Series Horse Hair by Tammy Tudoro, and this is an embossing folder. And also you are getting the Spellbinders Designer Series Renaissance tags too. And you're also going to get the Spellbinders Card Creator My Sunshine die. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you what I did with that. And oh my word. Oh my word, look at this. This is the Kaleidoscope Wagon Wheel by Spellbinders. And another thing that you're going to get is the Spellbinders Stamp and Die Set, the Perfect Avocado. That's what they call it. And so, yeah, you're going to get some pairs, and it says, the stamp says, we make a good pair, and that was so cute. And I tell you, I do have a tutorial coming up on a card that I created. It's sitting right there, in which I did my very first watercoloring. It was so easy. And yeah, that video is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. And this one, as you can see, the package is already open because I worked with these. And yeah, you're going to get the Spellbinders Shapeabilities Cut Emboss Stencil, and these are called the Blossom Tags and Accents. And oh my word, when I first looked at this, and here's something that I wanted to try for a very, very long time. I've been wanting to try a circle card, and when I saw these set of dies, I was like, perfect. I'm making a circle card. So let me show you the circle card that I made. Here we go. Don't you love it? For this circle card, I used the outer die, also the inner die over here, and I used some string. Let's see, I don't have it with me right now, but I just put some string, kind of like rolled it up and just hot glued it on there. And this rosette was used, let's see, this rosette was made with this set of dies right here. So see what you get. Oh gosh, this is so super cute. I love, love, love it. And it stands like so. Isn't that cute? I just love it. My very first circle card, and I love it. Love, love, love it. And if y'all want to see a tutorial on how I created this circle card or this flower blossom card, just leave me a thumbs up and also a comment in the comments area below letting me know that you are interested in seeing a tutorial on this. Another thing that I made, and oh my gosh, here we go. Look at this. Now this one was using this set of dies over here and this set of dies over here. And I kept it simple, I kept it modern, and I kept it chic. So yeah, these were cut and embossed. And there we go, to give you a little bit more depth into this. These were also cut and embossed. Another card that I created was this one, and this one was using the, hang on just a moment, yeah, it's gonna be at the very bottom. And this one was made using this set of dies right here and this set of dies right there. So instead of using it as a topper, I decided to do it on the side, and it's also popped up so that you can see. There we go. And I just love the way this came out. And of course, you can put a sentiment right along there. And another card that I created with the very same set, and that's using this, and this over here is this card right here. I just love the way it came out, and it is very dimensional. And there you go. It's dimensional here, it's dimensional there, and of course the flower that I made with the flower dies from here make it also dimensional, and I just stuck a rosette there. I love the way this came out. And another card that I created was using this die over here that says, "You are my sunshine." And I don't know if the camera is showing, but I did use some Wink of Stella right along here and right along here to accentuate the word my and the word sunshine. And for the top over here, all I did was use this die from this set. Now for this one, when I saw this embossing folder, it screamed natural to me. Natural but elegant. And I was like, yes, I know exactly what to do with this. So I ran some regular cardstock with this embossing folder. And what I did was I used a little bit of string here. And this right here is canvas. Okay. I just basically trimmed this with my scissors. And these rosettes were cut using this set of dies. And remember, when you use your Spellbinders Platinum, whether you have the Platinum 6 or the Platinum 8, it can cut through several different types of materials, and one of them being canvas, and it cuts like butter. So I'm so happy how this card came out. And what I've done at the bottom is just take some of the bead separators that you get when you're making jewelry or stick pins or something, and I just stuck them there, and I think this came out so naturally elegant. I love it. I love it. And what's funny about this is that I think this is my very favorite card out of the whole mix, and this was made using just cardstock. No designer paper, nothing fancy, just plain cardstock. The card base is plain cardstock, and this was plain cardstock that I ran it through my embossing folder. And here is a canvas piece, and I cut these flower petals from canvas, and that was it. And I just love how this came out. And oh my gosh, let me tell you what I did with this card. Now this, again, is just plain iridescent cardstock. I believe it's from Nina. And I used the stamp, the balloon stamps over here. And when I cut this piece over here, let me show you the die once again. Here it is. So this is a die that I use for this card over here. And let me tell you, when you cut this piece, you're going to have a lot of little flakes falling off, and I decided to use some of these flakes right along the card, just a few, not too many, to make it look more festive. And I used the happy birthday stamp from the balloon stamp set, and I have used the balloons right along here, and I just love the way this came out. So there you have it, folks, the Spellbinders June 2018 Surprise Value Bundle. I will be leaving a link in the description area below. And yeah, it's first come, first serve. Get one for yourself, get one for a friend. Thank you all so very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!